when function loses the battle to design. Welcome to the channel. This is where I review and critique luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. And in today's episode, we're going to cover 1741 Correa Way, 6-bedroom, 8-bath, 13,512 square feet, listed for $26.5 million, and it sits on a 35,868 square foot of lot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for educational, entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. Call the listing agent if you have any questions. 3 things I love about this property. Number 3, volume and scale. It's just fantastic. I mean, these ceiling heights are ridiculously high. The volumes are great style. Now, the second thing I love about this property is the architectural style and the finishes. Very neutral. Pretty much most people should like this type of stuff. It's modern, but it's not over the top or cheaped out. They've done a really good job. Now, the number 1 thing I love about this property is the views, which is pretty rare to get views like this in Brentwood. They're advertising it as the best views in Brentwood. I don't know about that. It's pretty good and it's rare, right? So that's amazing about it. Now, according to ZipSmart, 31% new inventory is coming in and only 16% of the total listings are going out. That means like inventory is piling up. And then when you look at the buy versus rent ratio, it's at 263% cheaper for you to rent than to buy. What do you think people are gonna do? If they have the time or resources or not the urgency, they're gonna rent than buying and prices are gonna come down. If you want someone who can negotiate really well as making these videos, here's my information. I would love to be a resource for you. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3 is no frontage or facade. I mean, you have a driveway, which is downhill, it's okay, whatever. When you come in, you're looking at the back of the house. It's like trying to sneak in from the emergency exit into the movie theater. It's like, where is the front of the house? $26.5 million, and you're entering from the back. It's just awkward. Yep. The second thing I don't like about this property, you have 2 construction sites right next to you. One to your right and one to your left back. And that's just not ideal. You're gonna have noise from that. You're not gonna like that. Now, the number 1 thing I didn't like about this property is the fact that after walking in, I imagined myself coming out of my bedroom downstairs, and there was not a place where I felt comfortable hanging out in if I was there alone or with my family. The family room doesn't even exist. It's part of the grand living room and the kitchen. It's just one big, huge space. It just doesn't have that zephyr. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, it's not a new medication or drug for your hemorrhoid. It's that warm, cozy, fun place that you would want to just cuddle and just feel like home. It just didn't have that. It has a movie theater, it has a gym, it has a lot of bedrooms, but where is home? And I'm gonna leave you with that thought. If you like this video, you'll probably like one of these videos. There's a lot of boxes. You can go visit zipsmart.ai and tell me in the comments how much you think this property is gonna end up selling for. I would love to know. See you in the next video.